Did you know that a cryptocurrency that started as a joke, Dogecoin, turned early investors into millionaires almost overnight? But here is the question: could his younger, quitter cousin, Baby DogeCoin, do it the same in 2025? Imagine this: a coin with a market cap under $1 billion, but with a community so strong, it's already raised millions for charity. What if this tiny coin exploded 10 times or even 100 times this year? Will you be ready to capitalize on it? But here is the catch: not all meme coins survive the crypto winter. Some crash and burn, while others defy the odds and make history. So is Baby DogeCoin the next Dogecoin, or just another flash in the pan? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you know exactly what to expect and whether this coin could make you rich in 2025. Baby DogeCoin burst onto the scene in 2021, riding the wave of meme coin mania. But unlike many other meme coins, it doesn't just fade away. Instead, it built a loyal community, partnered with major exchanges, and even launched its own ecosystem. But here is the thing: the crypto market is unpredictable. While some coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have made millionaires, others have left investors holding the bag. So, what makes Baby DogeCoin different? And more importantly, will it be your ticket to financial freedom in 2025? In this video, we break down everything you need to know, from its origins and growth potential to the risks you can't afford to ignore. Let's dive in. Baby DogeCoin was created as a fun community-driven project inspired by Dogecoin, but it didn't stop at just being a meme. The team behind it focused on the real-world utility, like charity donations and decentralized finance features. However, the crypto world is full of competition. Coins like Shiba Inu and Floki Inu are also vying for attention, and the market is more crowded than ever. So how does Baby DogeCoin stand out? For starters, its community is one of the most active in crypto. They have raised millions for animal charities, launched NFTs, and even created a swap platform for trading. But here is the conflict: can a coin built on hype and memes sustain long-term growth, especially in a volatile market? Let's talk numbers. Baby DogeCoin started with a market cap of just a few $1 million, and its peak, it's reached over $1 billion. That is 100 times return for early investors. But here is the kicker: its current market cap is still relatively low compared to giants like Dogecoin. This means there's room for massive growth if the right conditions are met. For example, if Baby DogeCoin gets listed on Binance or Coinbase, its price could skyrocket overnight. And with Elon Musk occasionally tweeting about Dogecoin, it's not far-fetched to think Baby DogeCoin could catch its attention too. But let's not sugarcoat it: the crypto market is a roller coaster. Baby DogeCoin has already seen its fair shares of ups and downs, and while its community is strong, it's not immune to the risk of market manipulation, regulatory crackdowns, or simply losing relevance. Before we go any further, I want to hear from you. Do you think Baby DogeCoin has what it takes to make investors rich in 2025? Or do you think it's just another meme coin destined to fade away? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives in the world of crypto. Let's keep the conversation going. Now, let's talk about the risk. Investing in Baby DogeCoin isn't for the faint of heart. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and meme coins are even more unpredictable. A single tweet from a celebrity or a sudden market crash could wipe out your investment overnight. And then there is the competition. Coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have already captured the spotlight, making it harder for Baby DogeCoin to stand out. Plus, with new meme coins launching every week, the market is getting saturated. But here is the silver lining: Baby DogeCoin has something many other meme coins don't: a dedicated team and a clear roadmap. They are constantly working on new features, partnerships, and marketing campaigns to keep the coin relevant. And with its low market cap, even a small increase in demand could lead to significant gains. So where does that leave us? Baby DogeCoin has potential, but it's not a guaranteed win. If you are thinking about investing, here is my advice. Do your own research. Don't put in more than you can afford to lose. And most importantly, have a clear exit strategy. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to make smart decisions. And why Baby DogeCoin could be a great opportunity, it's not the only one out there. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is curious about Baby DogeCoin. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest crypto insights. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you bullish or bearish on Baby DogeCoin? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, stay smart, stay safe, and I see you in the next video. You're welcome.